Well, towards the end of 2024, that was around November, I had this crazy idea of surrounding my entire home with passion fruits. And guess what? I actually implemented it. In my mind, I was imagining, this beautiful home with passion fruits filled with bees buzzing around and the smell of nectar from passion fruits flowers, which did not happen. Fast forward, sometime last year, I had this. Okay, I found myself with a field of passion fruits vines that are crawling on the ground, and that's when reality kicked in. It turns out that passion fruits actually require a lot of money, and since I was struggling, and I'm still struggling by the way, I failed, to raise the necessary money to buy the round poles, the galvanized wire, and to manage the whole project. So in this video, I'm here to show you my journey trying to raise trying to raise passion fruits. Okay, right from the beginning, the challenges that I'm having and where we are right now. So let's dive right in. By the way, sometime around last year, I managed to stake a few side of the passion fruits. But since I made a mistake, I used weak round poles. So when heavy storm came, the whole project came crashing on the ground, and I'm going to show you shortly. So I hope you will stick around till the end of this video. What you see at the background there is actually the portion, of our passion fruits that I managed to stake. Yeah. So let's go and take a tour. Yeah. So here, I've used round poles. And down here we have a bit of concrete, and there is also termite proof. Okay, I applied a layer of burnt oil, then I had to coat it with polythene bag to take care of the termites. And I guess you may notice the size of our round poles. It is huge, because in the past, when I this is not the first time, by the way. I brought some up last time, probably about around November of last year. But when heavy storms came, they came crumbling on the ground. So that's why this time I was, a bit cautious to use round poles. So here we have round poles as the support, and lines of galvanized wire, okay, running across. Although the galvanized wire that we use is not enough, meaning that we are going to have to, bring in again nets. Okay, we are going to put a layer of nets, okay, for them to, to clasp on. Then one last thing that I should show you, it is the roots. Okay, the bricks is just chicken proof. Okay, because now since I keep chicken, they come, scratching, looking for worms, and they have a tendency of removing this mulch away, leaving bare the roots of our passion fruits. So what I did here a few months ago, when there was a serious dry spell, I had to put in a layer of mulch. To maintain moisture in the soil, such that whenever I was trying to water, there was water being retained there. So when I mulch, I had to make sure that I put in the bricks, okay, to discourage ants away from scratching. Now this portion needs weeding. This other side I weeded it last week, and now this side, I probably by tomorrow I'm going to make sure that I also take care of it. So guys, that's pretty much it. This is our passion fruits, one section that I managed to bring up. So like 2 months ago, as I made mention, there wasn't rain this part of the country, so I had to do most of the heavy lifting myself. Okay? I was doing the watering, so this is me in the background trying to water. Okay, and that's where the mulching comes in handy, yeah? Because that layer of grass was really helping me to retain water. Yeah, but now that it is beginning to rain, I will eventually have to remove the grass, because again too much water may affect the passion fruit. So in a few weeks time I will have to remove them. So this constitutes like half of the whole project, and as you can see, they are still in ruins. Although of late I've begun installing a few round poles. Okay, probably within 2-3 weeks I pray that I should be able to get the money, and I should stake them. Okay, yeah, as you can see, they're still crawling on the ground. By the way, I also have some cocoa tree here that I planted. This tree is almost like 2 years now. Yeah. So this right here is our passion fruits vines. They have grown all wild. Yeah, as you can see. Now let me take you to this other chamber. This side, this is the side that I supported last year, like 3-4 months ago. But because, like I told you, I'd used weak poles, huh? So they all came crumbling on the ground. And this is really a serious setback for us guys. But I should really figure out a way of getting it up again. Probably in my next video I should have raised it all up and working. This, by the way, is my very first comprehensive video about my passion fruits project. But I'm hoping, in the next episode to bring out, the journey of our passion fruits field as it unfolds. Okay, and I hope that by then I should have really done something with this other side of the field that are still crawling on the ground. Okay, and I hope that it should also inspire you perhaps to grow a few vines. Okay, like 2 or 3 vines around your backyard, because passion fruits is something that you won't regret. Personally, I have had this around 3 or 4 stems, 4 vines of the fruit, but guess what? These 4 vines, it is what is feeding me right now. I'm literally taking passion fruit juice every day. Okay, so it won't hurt, for you to also plant a few vines in your backyard, and I'm going to show you how to do that.